Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Carol. How are you today? Okay, I'm good. Please get your book Math in Action 6A. Please get your book Math in Action 6A and please open your book on page 34. Please open your book on page 34. Okay, are you ready? Let's begin. So our topic for today is about dividing numbers with several digits. Our topic for today is about dividing numbers with several digits. Okay, to perform long division with multi-digit numbers divide the dividend by the divisor, starting at the leftmost place, then move on to the right. Again, to perform long division with multi-digit numbers, divide the dividend by the divisor, starting at the leftmost place, then move on to the right. Okay, so to perform long division with multi-digit numbers, divide the dividend. Okay, so this is the dividend. Divide the dividend by the divisor. So this is the divisor, 42. Dividend is 6,098 and the divisor is 42. By the divisor, divide the dividend by the divisor starting at the leftmost place. So this is the leftmost place. Then move on. Then move on to the right. Then move on to the right. Okay? Okay, now let's do the work. Okay, solution. Okay, so here 60 divided by 42. This is a two-digit number. Okay, so let's divide it in two-digit number. Okay, so 60 divided by 42. Okay, so there. Again, 60 divided by 42 is equals to 1. So 1. 1 times 42. 1 times 42 is equals to 42. There you go, 42. 60 minus 42. Okay, so 0 minus 2 is equals to cannot be. Let's borrow 1 from 6. Then 6 will become 5 and then 0 will become 10. Now we can subtract, okay? 10 minus 2 is equals to 8. And then 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Okay, so 18. 18 divided by 42 cannot be. So let's borrow 1. Let's bring down the 9. Okay, so let's bring down 9. Okay, we cannot subtract 18 to 42. Now let's bring down 9. Bring down 9. So 189. Now 189 divided by 42 is equals to 4. Okay, so 4. 4 times 42. 4 times 42 is equals to 168. Now let's subtract. Okay, subtract 189 minus 168. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. And then 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. Okay, so 21 divided by 42. Cannot. Now let's bring down 8. Okay. Let's bring down 8. So 218. Now we can subtract 208. Now we can divide, sorry. Now we can divide 218 to 42. How many 42 in 218? There are 5. So 5. The answer is 5. 5 times 42 is equals to 210. So 210. Okay, 8 minus 0 is equals to 8. The remainder is 8. Okay? Understand? Okay, to check the answer. Check the answer. Dividend equals 42. 42 times 145. 145 plus 8. Okay. To check the answer is correct, we have to multiply the divisor to our quotient. Okay, divisor is 42, the quotient is 145, and we have to add the remainder. Okay, now let's check the answer if our answer is correct. Let's check if our answer is correct. Please listen very carefully. Okay, to check if our answer is correct, we have to multiply the divisor to the quotient plus the remainder. Okay, now let's, this is 42, sorry, this is 42, this is 145, 145. Okay, now let's multiply. 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is equals to 10. Carry 1 to 4. 2 times 4 is equals to 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 4 times 5 is equals to 20. Carry 2 to 4. 4 times 4 is equals to 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. 18 carry 1 to 1. 4 times 1 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So there. Now we have to add this. Okay, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Carry 1 to 5. 1 plus 5 is equals to 6 plus the remainder. Now we have to add our remainder. Okay, now let's add. 0 plus 8 is equals to 8. Bring down 9. Bring down 0. Bring down 6. So the answer is 6,098, which is our dividend. Okay? Understand? Okay, now please move on to page 35. Now please open your book on page 35. Another example. Okay. Please open your book on page 35 and let's move on to another example. Long division with a 3-digit divisor. Okay, 81,563 divided by 214 equals, okay, so 81,563 divided by 214 is equals to 381 remainder 49 with the remainder of 29, sorry. So the answer is 381 with the remainder of 29. Okay, let's do the work. Okay, I'll show you how to get the answer. Listen very carefully, okay? Okay. Okay, so 81,563 divided by 214. Okay, so this is a 3-digit number. 3-digit number, so we have to divide it into 3-digit number also. Unless it's not enough to divide. Okay, now let's divide. 815 divided by 214. The answer is 3. Okay, so 3. 3 times 214 is equals to 642. So 642 minus 815 minus 642. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. 1 minus 4 cannot be. So let's borrow 1 from 8, and then 8 will become 7, and then 1 will become 11. Now we can subtract them, okay? So 11 minus 4 is equals to 7. So 7. 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. So there, 173 divided by 214 cannot, right? Now let's bring down 6. Okay, so let's bring down 6 here. Okay, so 1,736. Now we can divide 1,736 divided by 214. The answer is 8. Okay, so 8. 8 times 214 is equals to 1,712. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is equals to what? Equals to 4. So answer is 4. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Then 24 divided by 214 cannot. Now let's bring down 3. Let's bring down 3. 243 divided by 214 is equals to 1. Now, 1 times 214, 1 times 214 is equals to 214. So 214, 243 minus 214 is equals to 29. Okay, so 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 cannot be. So let's borrow 1 from 4, and then 4 will become 3, and then 3 will become 13. Now we can subtract. 13 minus 4 is equals to 9. 9, and then 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, so the remainder is 29. The answer is 381 with the remainder of 29. Okay, to check. Okay, now let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, let's check the answer. We have to multiply. Okay, to check the answer, we have to multiply the divisor, which is 214, our divisor, to the quotient. Okay, we have to multiply them. Okay, so 214 times 381 plus the remainder. Okay, to check the answer is correct, we have to multiply 214, which is our divisor, and 381, which is our quotient. We have to multiply these two plus the remainder, which is 29. Okay, understand? Okay, now let's check if our answer is correct. Okay, to check the answer is correct, we have to multiply the divisor to the quotient. Okay, now let's multiply these two numbers, and then let's add the remainder. The answer should be our dividend. Okay, the dividend is 81,563, so that should be our answer here. Okay, so 4 times 1 is equals to 4. 4 times 8 is equals to 32. 32, carry 3 to 3. 4 times 3 is equals to 12. 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. So 4 times 3 is equals to 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. So 15. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. 1 times 8 is equals to 8. 1 times 3 is equals to 3. Then now let's multiply 2. 2 times 1 is equals to 2. 2 times 8 is equals to 16. Carry 1 to 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. 7. Okay, now let's add 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 5 plus 8 is equals to 13 plus 2 is equals to 13 plus 2 is equals to 15. Carry 1 to 1. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Carry 1 to 7. And then 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. Now let's add the remainder. Remainder is 29. Now let's add the remainder, 29. 9. 4 plus 9 is equals to 13. carry 1 to 3. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 6. And then 5, bring down 5. This is 5, okay. Bring down 5. 6, bring down 1, and then 8. So the answer is 81,563. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay? Therefore, the answer is correct. Okay, understand? Okay, good job. Okay, now please answer your book on page 35. Now please answer your book on page 35 to 36. Please answer your book pages 35 to 36. Okay? Show your solution here. Okay. Understand? If you have any questions, please let me know, or you can also ask Teacher Nook. Okay? Okay, so that's it for today. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.